Hey there, future world changers. Let me tell you a quick, fun story about the incredible world of software developers. You know, those super cool peeps responsible for creating the apps and programs that power our lives? Ready? Let's dive in. Once upon a time, in a world not so different from ours, software developers were the heroes behind the scenes, crafting a digital world that we rely on every day. They brought our wildest dreams to life, whether it was connecting with friends across the globe or turning our smartphone into a personal assistant. So, what does it take to become one of these digital wizards? Well, the first step is getting the right education. Most software developers have at least a bachelor's degree in computer science, software engineering, or a related field. And don't worry if you don't have any coding experience yet. You'll learn all those nifty skills like Python, Java, and C++ in college. Plus, there are tons of online resources like coding boot camps and YouTube tutorials to help you along the way. Now, I know you're probably wondering, where should I work after I get all of these cool skills? Good news, there are loads of amazing companies to choose from. The big players like Google, Apple, and Microsoft are always on the hunt for fresh talent. And don't forget the exciting world of startups, where you can make a real impact and potentially be part of the next big thing. But what skills do you need to stand out in this competitive field? Top software developers are experts in problem solving, communication, and teamwork. So, practice your skills, collaborate on projects with your classmates, and be ready to learn from your mistakes. Remember, even the best developers had to start from somewhere. Now, let's look into the future. What can you expect from a career as a software developer? Well, the outlook is pretty sweet. The demand for software developers is only growing, with new technologies like artificial intelligence, blockchain, and virtual reality constantly emerging. And the best part? You'll have the chance to shape the future and create something that could change the world. But what's a typical day like for a software developer? Honestly, it's a mixed bag of fun and challenging tasks. You'll be writing code, debugging, and testing your programs to make sure they're running smoothly. You'll also collaborate with other developers, designers, and project managers to brainstorm ideas and bring your projects to life. And trust me, when your app or software finally works, it's an unbeatable feeling of accomplishment. So, there you have it, a quick peek into the fantastic world of software developers. If you're passionate about technology and love the idea of creating a future, this could be the perfect career for you. Who knows? Maybe you'll be the one to develop the next big app that takes the world by storm. Good luck and happy coding.